How's it going, everybody? It's GTB. Wanted to jump into Dogecoin, kind of take a look here. It's been a fun few days. Elon Musk just bought Twitter yesterday, so this is the day after, and wanted to take a look here at Doge, kind of see what it's doing. We'll start on the weekly, then zoom in, zoom out, that kind of thing. Thank you for subscribing, all the subscribers. Thank you so much. Thank you for the thumbs up, and thank you for sharing. I can see when you guys share. I appreciate it. Thank you so much to share for sharing it to friends, family, whoever might enjoy the content. So let's dive right in. Cool. So starting on the weekly, I know a few weeks back we did get this death cross right here on the 20 and the 55 EMAs, and ever since then we've been kind of riding right below, and just once and now twice we've been hitting back to the 55, kind of go on, not closing, but wicking over the 55 as the 20 lays below. So not looking bullish on the weekly. Hopefully with the news here with Elon and whatnot on Twitter, this will start to reverse back up and the averages will go ahead and follow. But who knows? Let's look at the monthly real quick just to see where we're at. We had mentioned before that closing below the 20 EMA is not necessarily bullish, but it also hasn't wicked down to the 55. So it's just kissing the 20 EMA. It has closed 1, 2, 3, almost. Once this candle closes, hopefully this candle will close right here. If you can see, let me zoom in. This current week will close above the 20 EMA right here. These two, however, last week and the week before closed below the 20 on the monthly. So we'll see. If this closes above, that's more bullish. That's going to start, a reversal trend, in my opinion. As a disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. I would not take financial advice from me. I do your own research. I'm just looking and reporting at as to what I see and learning along with you. So right on. Let's see, as I zoom in, just a heads up, I did have to disable the comments because there's so much spam, so many people scamming that I just decided, you know what, it's better to get rid of the comments. So find me on Twitter at GTBCryptoYT for YouTube, and we can chat there. All right, let's zoom in here. So look at the daily EMA. It was very bearish, really since, since November. There was a little bit of an upswing here, and then it's been on a dive ever since then. We did get a few wicks on the daily above the 20 to the 55 here, just recently, where we got the golden cross on the daily. And look at this fake out right here. Do you see this? Let's zoom in. Screenshot and zoom in. Look at how narrow that window was. We when we last looked at it, it was kind of like uh-oh, what's going to happen? Is it going to go down? Is this like a sort of a fake out like that, where the 20 comes up and then it was just going to come back down and do this? But look at that. It was a fake out of a fake out. Look at that sharp V. I don't know if you can see it right there. I'm just going to highlight it. Just look at that. What a fake out right there. That's incredible. If if you were really what's the word? If you were really, energized or I guess stubborn in this case, in saying no, it's not going to go down, and you put a buy order down here or down here. Ooh, good job. What's the word? Determined, I guess. Something along those lines. It doesn't matter. But anyway, look at that. So on the daily, we are getting sort of a look at this, sort of a tweezer top. Hopefully, this closes above. We saw this last time right here. Look at this. We got a nice green candle, and then the next day, boom, red candle engulfing. What I'm hoping here is that, yes, we get a nice green candle, and then the candle today does not fully engulf it down to here. Hopefully we can find resistance at that 20 EMA, right? And kind of hold support down here. The good news is, I mean, we broke the resistance, you know? Look at that. We broke above this line here. I'm trying to see this level here. There's a lot of contention here. This price point. What is that? The 1450? Yeah. You see that? How there's a lot of action there? It would be nice to see this high, and then get something up here. So it's a reversal. Unless it's going to come down here and sort of double bottom. You see? Well, let me clear this up. I could see that being the case, like a big double bottom W kind of price movement where we have this down here, come up, and then come down maybe, and then do this kind of thing. That kind of trend. That would be a nice reversal pattern in the upswing. Yeah, it's very cool. Let's switch over to a 4 hour, just kind of zoom in. Cool. We got a, look at this volatility right here. If you were trading on the EMAs, you didn't know which way we were going. We got a golden cross here a few candles ago on the 4 hourly. So this is now 4 hours per candle. We got a nice golden, but it's coming back down to that 55. So it looks like it's probably going to continue this up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down right here. You see this? Boom, 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 boom. So coming down, hopefully that's a reversal, and then kind of swing back around. Let's see. Yeah, right now it's still sideways. I think that's going to be the story for a lot of coins right now, is just sideways action, you know. Let's zoom in a little bit on the hourly. On the hourly, a nice little golden cross here, and look at that, just almost immediately coming back down. This was on the news of Elon. Boom. Let's zoom out. Let's go back to the daily. I like the dailies. This is exciting. This little fake out right here. That's exciting. I think that's going to be the takeaway for this video, is the daily kind of faked out of a fake out. So hopefully this continues. And this is what I was trying to point out on the double bottom. So W down. Here, we'll make it thicker. Down, do, something like that. We're looking at that low. As long as this low is higher, I think that could be a potential price reversal. Kind of like it did here. Well, actually, no, this broke down, didn't it? Yeah. I think everybody was expecting this to go up, but it broke down. Let's see. Yeah, so keep an eye. The level to keep an eye on is right here. Right here. This low. That'll be good. If not, we're going to break down again. That would put us, the next support level isn't until the 7-cent mark, I think. Down here, what is that? 8 cents. Back where we had that initial coil up before the big spike in May last year. So if it drops, it could drop down here. That's a scenario. So one scenario is that it does this, right? That's one scenario. Let me change the color. Bullish scenario. Cool. Everybody's happy. Yay. A bearish scenario is down, and kind of like we did up here. Kind of break down. Oh, sad. Everybody's sad. So happy, sad, and then come down to these levels here. Right. Cool. So yeah, that'll be our takeaway. We're just keeping an eye on the low right here. I appreciate it. Stay tuned, and we'll keep an eye on it. Take care, guys.